What's up guys, Rakeem Madison here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you 4 easy ways to make free money. Alright, and if you stick with me through the rest of this video, I'm going to share with you real proof from me actually profiting from these methods. Alright, now if you want to learn how to build a long sustainable business that will eventually give you the freedom you deserve, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Also tick that bell icon so that anytime I release any new videos, you get them automatically right here on the channel. So with that being said, let's jump right into today's content. So the number one way that we're going to talk about here today is called checking account offers. So I'm going to actually type that here in on Google, and what I recommend is that you do this with me so you can see these methods for yourself. All right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to type right here, checking account offers. All right, so checking account offers, and boom. All right, so what you want to do, we're going to use this because this is actually the resource. I linked it down in the description. It says top checking account offers. Go ahead and click that link so you can follow along with me, or you can just follow along doing exactly what I'm showing you here. All right, so the first thing you're going to click on is this link right here. Now, basically what this is, guys, is there's banks, okay? And those banks, they want to continue to get new members. Now, how do they continue to get new members? They create these cash bonuses, and they basically pay you free money to become a member of them. Now, here's the part where you're probably going to be like, oh, I thought you said it was free. Well, you make a deposit. Now, how are you making that deposit? Okay, right now, if you work a job, you're already getting direct deposit to the account that you currently have. So here's what you're going to do. It's going to require a little bit of work, right? It's going to require you to actually go into your job with another direct deposit form, and whatever amount the minimum amount that the bank tells you that you need to deposit, all you're going to have to do is have a portion of your paycheck go into that account, that amount, the minimum amount, and then boom, they're going to pay you your money. Now, there's certain banks, it takes 10 business days. Some of the banks are a lot quicker than that, but usually it's roughly around 10 business days in order for them to pay you. All right, so at that point you have free money, right? Either way, even though you had to go and put in another direct deposit form or whatever, right, you still have free money because you didn't pay it out of your pocket, really. It just came from you putting it, directing it somewhere else in another a new bank account. So boom, you literally just got free money for opening up an account. All right, so that's way number one. Now, way number two is unclaimed funds. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back to Google. Okay, so what are unclaimed funds? So in every state, right, there's tons of money being paid out in unclaimed funds, maybe like a medical bill repayment, right? And that money is just out there, and most people don't even know that they have unclaimed funds. So how are you going to find out if you have unclaimed money out there, right? Unfortunately, I didn't have any unclaimed funds, and I already checked for the particular state that I actually live in. Even though I currently live in Korea at this time, I was living in Arizona. So what I did is I typed in Arizona, and then I put unclaimed funds. Okay, so you see it, unclaimed. Let me go ahead and unclaimed funds. All right, so at this point, boom, that popped up. So Arizona unclaimed property. So all I have to do is I'll go here. Oh, sorry, wrong one. Arizona unclaimed funds, not unclaimed property. All right, so let's wait for it to pop up. Okay, so that doesn't actually look like the real website, so we're gonna go ahead and back out of that. All right, so let's just go to unclaimed property, and then I'll type in my name. All right, so Rakeem, and in mine, you can see that I don't actually have any unclaimed property. I probably shouldn't put my real name in there, so I'll just put Rakeem Johnson. Okay, so Rakeem Johnson, boom, search for property, right? Boom, nothing showed up. All right, so obviously I don't know if that's a real person or not, but this is actually a real site. So whatever state that you currently live in right now, you can literally type the same thing. So if it's New York, unclaimed funds. Pennsylvania, unclaimed funds. New Jersey, unclaimed funds. That's the only thing that you have to do. once you put in your, it's going to be real simple for that setup. It's going to ask you for your first and your last name. Maybe it may ask you for one additional thing. But once it asks you for that, you type it in. If nothing shows up, boom, then you don't have any unclaimed funds. But if something shows up where it's actually showing that you have funds, then all you're going to have to do is get in contact with them and show proof that it's you that is actually reaching out to them, and then boom, you'll go through a process. I don't know, since I didn't have any unclaimed funds, I don't know how long that process will take, but it's worth going through it if you got some free funds out there. All right, so that's way number 2. Now, way number 3, right, is something called sellbackyourbook.com. All right, so I've actually used this site, and I'm about to show you proof that they actually pay you out. And it's super cool, guys, because I did this back in 2016. I'm actually going to show you a few of my orders that I did. All right, so I'll go into my orders. It's going to show some other information, but most of the stuff in here is old information that's no longer, my address. I no longer live there. All right, so now let's take a look. So you see where it says order history? All right, so these are the books back in 2016 that I actually sent to sellbackyourbook.com, and look what they paid me, $16.40. Now you're probably like, oh, well, that's not a lot of money, right? But at least that shows me that this site worked, right? So I can definitely vouch for this site actually paying out. All right, so they paid me in PayPal, so I received that in PayPal right there. So as you can see, payment issued. All right, and that was 2016 October 27th, and when I did it, the order date that I did it is I did 2016 10/11, so on the 11th of October. All right, so that one was actually issued. So let's go down again. All right, I did it again, payment issued. So as you can see, you see the TED 2-disc combo pack Blu-ray. So you see those, but on the front site you only saw books. Well, they do books, they do DVDs, they do it's one other thing. I think they do movies as well. So it's a bunch of different things you can do on here, and it's actually, you can actually make money from this stuff, guys. So if you got a ton of books, you can go on here, you can see if they have it, and you'll see what they can price it at. Now, I made a mistake, and this is just a lesson, just a little bit outside the video, but this is just a lesson in life. Take action at the time, like right at that time. Don't wait, don't delay, right? Don't think about it, just do it, all right? And I'm gonna show you what I mean. So if I go back down here, all right, so as you can see, these 3 books right here are the same 3 books up here. But I made a mistake because I was like, man, I don't know if this site is real, right? So what did I do? I ended up canceling that process, and as you can see, it was $37.61, $12.40, and $3.62. But look what happened. The value dropped for those books, and look what I got. Only $16 when I could have got $53 instead, because I was like, I don't know how real this site is. You know what I mean? I wasn't sure. And then I canceled these as well. I don't remember if these were more expensive or were they? Yeah, they were about the same, right? But I was like, man, I missed out on 53 bucks, you know what I mean, at that particular time. So this site definitely works. They definitely paid me out to PayPal. This is definitely something that you can go out there and use if you just need a little bit of extra money. Sometimes it may be even bigger. Like I said, 53 bucks for this, right, at that particular time. So you got to take action right when you see the opportunity, all right? All right, so that's the way number 3. Now we're going to talk about the next way to make money, free money, and I'm going to go here first. All right, so I have my notepad out, and basically these are all the payments that I receive from using this last way, which is way number 4, and that's a total of $260.43, which was made. Now that website is called Dosh.com. It's actually an app that you can download on your phone, and it's a cashback app. So basically all you're doing is you're going to download the app on your phone. Once you have your account, you're going to link a credit or debit card, okay? No prepaid cards, a credit or debit card. Now, basically anytime you go to any one of their partners, you're going to receive cash back when you make a purchase, okay? And I'm going to show you, here in a moment, how I was actually able to Let me just go straight to it. All right. So before we get into the actual going over Dosh, let me show you some proof where I actually am saving people money. I was going to show it up on the screen. I was going to show it up on the screen, but I'll just go ahead and show it because I sent it to myself in an email. Okay, because I meant to put this within the editing, but it's all good. All right. So I'm going to open this up, and this is what I've saved people. The people who I've referred. So you can see 18 successful referrals. So you can also earn by sharing this, right? And like I said, it's free app. So when you share it with somebody with your affiliate link, they create an account. Both of you are going to get $5. Okay. Now sometimes they do little promotion like specials, and they'll do like you make $10 per referral, or you make $15 per referral. And as you can see, this is today, guys. I took this screenshot today, because as you can tell, this is me with my hotspot going to my laptop right now. All right, so $15 is what's in the account right now. You have to have 25 to take it out. So once I get the extra $10 here from the pending referrals, because right now I have 7 pending referrals. Once those come in, then of course the income is going to go up, and then I'm going to make more money. Now this all-time cash back for your referrals and their referrals, basically this is all the money that I've helped other people save. I've made $260, right? That went to my PayPal, and I was actually able to take out. And then of course that $15 there, but 568 came from my, the people that I referred. They shared, and they were also using it for cash back, and their referrals were doing the exact same thing. So it feels good to know that I've saved people over $568.61. So I definitely feel good about that one. All right, so I want to go ahead and get that out of the way. All right, so let's kind of go back to it just so you can kind of get a visual of it. All right, so here we go. You connect your card, okay? Securely link your credit and debit cards. Whenever you pay with your link cards, those gets you the cash back. Okay, you can do shopping, any dining out of the 1,000 stores and restaurants, and you get up to 10% cash back automatically in your Dosh wallet. All right, and then also as I mentioned, you get paid to refer. Now the normal, the usual is $5. Okay, but like I said, they do promotionals where they'll do 10 and then 15 you'll get per referral, and they'll let you know via email. All right, and then you can transfer the cash either through PayPal, you can donate to a charity, or you can transfer it to your bank account. And this is safe, guys. And these are just, some of the partners that they actually have. Jack in the Box, Pizza Hut, Edible, Bark in the Box. These are all the different partners that you can actually get cash back from. All right, so some people are probably worried, about does it have the bank level security, right? Well, here it is, right? SSL encryption, so you don't have to worry about, like your bank account. I haven't had any problems or anything like that. All the money that I received, it has been received to me, so it's a real simple process. All right, and then that's pretty much it, guys. And some of you are probably asking the question, why do we need the card? Why do you have to connect your card? Well, let me go ahead and read it to you. So we can give you cash. Dosh connects securely with your credit or debit card. Then each time you use that card to pay at stores and restaurants, Dosh automatically gives you the cash back. That's why you have to connect your card. There's no funds that's going to be coming off of your card. So I just wanted to clarify that because I know I had those questions in the past. All right, guys. So those are the 4 ways that you can make free, easy money, guys. Free, easy. Now, I know the unclaimed funds, that might not necessarily work for everybody, but everybody who already has a bank account and a job, literally, you can go out there and get a checking, do one of those checking account offers, have the money directed into that account so that you can get the money roughly about 10 business days or so. You're going to receive your money. Some banks are quicker, and Dosh, guys, you can literally share this with your spouse or a friend, right? And you're going to make free money, right? You can refer or you can use cash back. And for sell back your books, that's real simple, guys. That's real simple. If you got books laying around, DVDs, movies, you can literally come on this site and sell that stuff back and make money, guys. All free, easy ways. Now, if you want to learn my #1 recommended way to make money on the internet right now, then the first link in the description is going to be right there for you. All you have to do is click the link, go throughout the process, and then you have my Facebook, my phone number, all of that stuff is down below. So just get in contact with me after you get started, and let's get this thing rocking and rolling. All right, so hopefully you got some value from this video, and if you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Also, tick the bell icon to be notified so that anytime I release any new videos, you get them automatically right here on the channel. So with that being said, I look forward to seeing you in the next video, my friend. Peace.